What do you like it? Yes, brother. Everybody love a bike, you know. Yeah, that's why all the mad people come out.
Rum biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is a rum biker, rum rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. Yes, yaga yo, we're outside again. Yes, family. You know, sir, it's night time we are dealing with today. If you're new to the channel, family, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Become a member. Hit the PayPal. Come on, man, if you want to support the movement. No pressure and all of that. So yeah, man, let's do it, man. Not going anywhere specific, but I'm just having a little ride. I don't know, where should we go? Should we go towards town? We could do a little town run still. Let's see. So I might have to chop this up in a couple of parts, man, but yeah, man, let's see where I go on by town. Get some night footage for you guys. The time is 10:15. Imagine I've been sitting there waiting for it to get dark, you know. One thing about night time though, people drive a little bit different. You get me? So you have to be night ready. Yeah, man. So you know what? I feel like as we're going to town, yeah, we can kind of cut through Aston way, so we can have a look down like Whitton Roadway. Yeah, so hang on. How are we gonna do this now? I don't know, family. Let me know. Right, how can you let me know when I'm already out? Mad thing. Yeah, I'm gonna do a left up here. So yeah, man, what you lot been up to, man? What you been doing? Be a ride out, some scene going on. Me love that. Yeah, these people are driving mad. It's like man's crawling. So yeah, man, at the moment I'm shooting in, I think I'm shooting on an ISO between 100 and 1600. I'm in D-Log, 30 frames per second. And what's the other thing? Sharpness is at, I think, -1, something like that. And the color is at, I think, 46,000, I believe, something like that. The white balance, sorry. My lights up. Oh yeah. What do you guys think about riding at night? I feel like at night you can miss a lot of the flipping potholes. The lights that come towards you, a lot of the times it can start dazzling you, man. Especially as the light bounces off your helmet. It's a lot, man. And then basically, like, when you're looking in the mirrors behind you, all you can see more time is lights. So you don't even really know who's behind you. And when you're seeing lights, and the lights are moving really fast coming towards you, you're thinking, oh god, somebody's on racing settings, like, you just don't know what, yeah. Night riding can be a bit mad still, in my opinion. You get me? And depending on what days at night, it can be even worse. And it's like Friday night and Saturday nights, jeez, you don't want to be riding at night in certain spaces. Because nobody know up on the road but the devil and yourself if you're out there. You get me? Okay, so you know what, yeah, I'm gonna go down Slade Road. We're gonna start there. Let's do that. So we're gonna go down Slade Road. What I want to be first, so let's move. Alright, yeah, you go on. You have to remember, so these places like Slade Road and place there is hot your fuck. Yes, brother. Everybody love a bike, you know. Yeah, that's why all the mad people come out. See, mad people come out on Slade Road, or just in general at night, but them things that means a madman on the bike. You know them ways there? Someone said to me the other day, only a madman or mad woman rides bikes. I don't know. One brother said you have to be on the spectrum to be on bikes, and he said he's on the spectrum as well. So I guess I'm on the spectrum then, innit? Boy, it's marginal still, because I was saying to someone one time, yeah, that I remember back in the day when I used to get stopped all the while in my car, yeah, who you don't want to get stopped by the motorbike police. And you got to remember, yeah, that this is man that just rides solo on their bike. So it's like, you know how mad you'd have to be, yeah, or how brazen to be by yourself on your bike and you're pulling up to a man that's on stuff in cars and that. You get me? It takes a certain type of person to do that, edit. So that's why I used to look and say, yeah, the motorbike coppers are a problem, man. You get me? They're a problem. Active grocery. Enough of these places, I've driven down there in my car at like flipping 3 in the morning and that, yeah, and they're open same way. So there's certain places that might be on a 24-hour, but Slade Road can be busy still. But every time I come out, I don't catch nothing. I don't see nothing. You get me? So yeah, man, we're gonna end this one right here, but catch us in the next one, because we're gonna head from Yassa to go all the way to town. Stay tuned. Remember, if you're new to the channel, don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe, become a member if you're already here. Hit the PayPal, you know, like that. We out.
From biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is the from biker, from rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again.